minutes. Yes, sir.
What is this, bro?
Oh, that's a keeper, bro.
We are both in shock of what happened right now.
Look at the size of this guy.
Look at these gag groupers. 5-10 minutes into trolling. Absolutely insane.
That's what you wanted to see sticking out of your cooler.
God. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another double up fishing video. In this video, we are launching from the Maximo boat ramp, and we're going to be doing some trolling in the Tampa Bay shipping channel. We're going to be trolling some nice deep water trolling lures. These are like 25 to 30 foot deep divers right here on some 8,000, 6,000s and some squalls and senators. So we got the big lures. And we got two 4,000s just in case the bite is completely off and we end up going for some snapper. But yeah, hopefully it's gonna be a nice day of trolling and we're gonna end up with some keeper gags. So it is currently 6 a.m. We're gonna be launching the boat pretty shortly. We just need to get it pumped up first. So yeah, see you guys out on the water. What's up, guys? We made it out to the skyway. There's the pretty skyway right back there. We are on the west side of the skyway, and we're gonna be going up and down the edge of the channel. We are around like maybe 100 feet from the middle of the channel. So we're gonna be trolling these edges, like 25, 30 feet of water. We are getting out the trolling rigs right now. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 setups. We got all the rigs set up. We got that rig. We got the 6,000, 8,000, and we got a senator and a squall. We got them all rigged out, and we're trolling at around 4 miles per hour right now. And the sun is just hitting the horizon over there, so that is awesome. And yeah, the conditions are not ideal. You can probably hear the wind, and it's like 2-foot waves, but it's fine. This little boat can handle it. So yeah, see you guys when we hook up. This one might just be tongue on bottom. This one's like tight. Yeah, this one's tongue on bottom. There's no way. There's no way this is a fish.
This one, no?
Oh yeah, this is a fish. Oh my god, this is a fish. Bro, what? This is actually a fish, bro. Bro, what? What's a fish? This is a fish. Oh my god, it's going crazy. Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, what? Bro, I said double them on gag immediately. Oh. It's still there.
Bro, give me that. On the right side of the boat.
Yeah. It's right here. Oh! Oh my god, this is a big fish, bro.
Oh.
No!
Look at the size!
Oh my god, bro!
Look at this!
What the hell?
Look at this! Yes, sir!
Oh my god! That's like a 30-inch gag!
Oh my god!
Bro!
Look at these lines in the back, bro. Like a bigger one.
Bro, this fish is so big. This fish is so big. This fish is so big, bro. Oh, it's coming in, it's coming out. Oh, do you see it? Do you see it? Ah, look at it! Bro!
Oh my god, it's another gag.
Oh my god, bro! Bro, look at the size of that gag! Get it! Get it! Whoa!
My god!
What is that?
Oh, move for the camera, bro.
Bro!
Oh my god!
What? What?
Bigger.
What? Bro!
Nah.
Bro!
Oh my god! Yes!
What is this, bro?
Oh my god!
Bro, I'm out of breath. What? We are both in shock of what happened right now. 10 minutes into trolling. Literally, not even more than 10 minutes probably. Look at that gag grouper, boys. Look at that gag. Get up next to you. Look at these gag groupers. No, it's still recording. Oh my god, look at this. Gags. Holy, this is like a 34-inch gag.
This is smaller, but it's still a keeper.
Oh my god. The plugs are doing the work right here. Look at this gag grouper. Inside of Tampa Bay. The skyway is literally right there behind us, bro. Look, hold it like that. Look at these gag groupers.
Oh my god.
That is a stud. Oh my god. What just happened, bro? What just happened?
Look at the plugs they're eating. The little one ate the big plug, the big one ate the little plug.
Oh, little. These are massive.
The big one ate the little plug.
Let's measure these guys up. Oh my god.
Let's get the hooks on.
What just happened, bro? What just happened? Look at these gag groupers, boys. 5-10 minutes into trolling. Oh my god, look at these plugs that they hit.
Bro, this boy swallowed it.
These boys are fat, and they both got us stuck in the rocks like immediately, but we were able to pull them out. So you gotta keep the boat in gear to pull these guys out and like max the drag out. We're fishing with 80-pound mono. This is 80 pounds? No, yeah, this is 80 pounds.
80 and 100 pound.
And this is
mono.
100 pound. So they weren't able to rip us out. Look at the bite marks on this lure, boys. Oh my god. Look at the size of this jig too. Like that is a massive jig, and they both just destroyed the jigs.
Hooks are out.
Oh my god, let's measure these guys up. Bro, look at that fish.
I get the little measuring tape.
Look
Tip of the
at
mouth,
that fish.
the tip of the tail. Bro, this is 30.
That is a 30-inch gag. We hit the most
tail, that's 30.
insane ledge ever.
This is 30. This boy. Hold it up there.
Pitch the tail.
No, hold it up here.
Right.
Hold the shit up there. Oh, hold it to all the way 0 on that. 0 on the other one. Gotta get the official measure. 33.
33.
30 and a 33. But he's so much fatter.
I thought I was snagged. Guys, I thought for sure this one was snagged. But Alex told me that like this one was diving less than the other one. So yeah, it made no sense if that one would have been snagged and not the other one.
Dispatchery time?
So that was insane, guys. Yeah, that's the small one. That is the small gag. Barely fitting in our cooler. We should have kept the other, we should have brought the other cooler with. Look at this guy. I don't know. Bro, oh my god, he's heavy. I can't even straight arm him. Oh my god. Bro. Inside of Tampa Bay. Like how?
Your burrito is gonna be cold. We're taking the ice.
How are there 33-inch gag grouper inside of Tampa Bay? That is absolutely insane. Look at the size of this guy. I can't believe this. Oh, this guy's huge. Oh my god.
Might have a cooler sticking out of the tail sticking out.
Might have a tail sticking out of the cooler.
Hold up, put him in the other way. That would be such a hard photo.
What?
Tail sticking out the cooler. Oh god, I can't. He's He's so slimy.
He's so slimy. But we gotta hit that ledge again. That is an insane ledge.
It's marked on the Garmin too, bro. We could
God.
back with live bait at some point and hit that.
Yeah. Except with live bait, they might get us in the structure. Because this guy did. He got us in the structure. It was pull and drag in the structure, but we eventually got him out. Bro, look at that yummy cooler. Gag grouper catching
That's what you want to see from a cooler. That's what you want to see sticking out of your cooler.
Oh my god, that's what you want to see sticking out of your cooler.
Oh! It's like it's full of ice and water.
Oh my god. What the gag
This
grouper
was
did to the hook.
brand new before.
Look at that. The gag grouper was stuck in the structure.
We bought this lure yesterday.
Look.
That's what you like to see. Brand new lure, already destroyed with fish
Oh my
tooth
god.
marks.
Look, it was insanely scratched up.
Look at this hook. Look at that hook. You can say he was in the structure.
Bro, I thought it was snagged. I thought it was snagged. Oh my god, look at this big lure.
How are we gonna bend it back?
Yeah, the sunrise bite was crazy. The bite totally died down after that. We trolled for like maybe 30, 40 more minutes and there was absolutely nothing. So we're gonna head back to the boat ramp and fillet these gags up. So see you guys at the fillet table. Gag grouper that we caught right under the skyway, trolling these big lipped plugs. It's time to fillet this guy.
Bro, these cheeks are like this big.
It's like whole.
You can literally feel the cheek.
You can make a burger with this, bro. What is?
Okay,
oh my!
burger's
This guy
small.
has something with it in his stomach for sure.
Yeah, I don't want to cut his stomach, so like, come here with this one.
Bro.
I'm not gonna.
Look
I'll
at
try to
that
go down,
gag.
I'm gonna go this way.
We're gonna make a lot of our friends happy with this. This is a yummy grouper right here. I can't wait to see what this guy's been eating, so we're gonna open up the stomach in just a minute. Look at that gag grouper. Let's hose him down a little bit. Oh my god. That is a nice fillet. Look at that stack of gags. Still gotta skin him and take the pin bones out, but that is pretty good right there.
Let's take a
Let's see what
peek
this
in the
guy's been
stomach.
eating. My favorite pot.
Let me cut it.
The crab.
Hold up, let me cut at the top, bro.
Yeah, I'm just getting it further out for you. One big crab.
Yeah, that's what it feels like. Oh, look, there's a whole bunch of crab parts too.
Screw pinfish. Just fishing with crabs. These guys love. Oh my god.
Look at that boy.
Whoa. That's a pass crab. Or no? Is that baby blue crab? Can't tell. No, that's a pass crab, I think.
Yeah, there's more. Is he missing a nipper?
Look at that pass crab that guy's been eating.
Fill his stomach up too.
This guy just went. Shloop. He ate that pass crab.
Filleted up.
Look at these gag groupers. They're
Filleted up.
so much lighter. Oh my god.
We shaved
Yeah.
off like a couple bones.
So these are not going to actually go to waste. We're going to use them, not we. We're going to donate them for crab trap bait. The gag grouper, nice and evenly sorted between us, and see you guys in the kitchen for a short little cooking montage and a nice little taste test. What's up, guys? I'm back here in the kitchen, and here we have my half of the gag grouper. Super yummy. Kept it in an airtight Tupperware. And we're gonna prepare a little bit today because this is 4 pounds of fish right here, so I can't eat it all today. Salt, a little bit of pepper, and a little bit of Old Bay. perfect. A little bit blackened, just how I like it. So let's get the sandwiches ready and put these in some sandwiches and let's try them out. See you at the dinner table. Here we got our 2 gag grouper sandwiches. Even though it's the next day, I'm still in disbelief that we caught those 2 gag grouper. One was 33, and one was 29.5 inches. Like, I'm still in disbelief that we limited out on huge gag grouper inside of Tampa Bay in 5 minutes. I went back to the footage and I took a video of the whole time we were trolling, and it took 5 minutes until we got those 2 gag groupers. So the conditions were perfect and we were extremely lucky, and I am super glad and thankful that we ended up with all this gag grouper. So let's take a bite. Tartar sauce, cheese, and burger buns. That is amazing. I wish you guys could try some at home or wherever you guys are at, but that is amazing. Yeah, we are super lucky to have caught some gag grouper before the season closed because this is really good. Gag grouper is really good. So, really glad that we caught some before the season ended and before the season closed, and next season, you're definitely going to see a couple more gag grouper videos. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, leave a like, subscribe, and I'm going to go finish my meal. See you guys in the next Double Up Fishing video. Cheers.